Hello everyone! Today on 3D Print Dogs, we'll be printing a multicolored Zelda Master Sword. Wait a second, where's Nova? Nova, hurry up, we're starting!
I'm busy right now. I have to feed this dog.
Looks like I'm on my own for this video. I'm going to take the model of the Master Sword that was made by Xenon G Bay and prepare it for multicolor printing using Bamboo Studio. Some parts of the model have already been split up, so those pieces can be printed separately in their respective colors. The blade, though, hasn't been split up. If it was just printed as a single color, then there would be a lot of post-processing required in order to make the sword look similar to how it looks in the game. Instead, I'm going to print the blade with multicolor printing to avoid all that post-processing work. I'll be printing this model on the Bamboo X1 Carbon with an AMS unit for multicolor printing. The sword will be printed horizontally. Not only does this make the print stronger, but this orientation is also ideal for multicolor printing as it reduces the number of color changes required since there are fewer layers. This has the benefit of reducing print time as well as reducing the amount of wasted purge material. The blade of the sword is a little big for the print bed, so I'll scale everything down to 96% and then it just fits. If the blade was printed in one go, then it would require supports. Supports often result in poor surface quality, so to avoid supports, I'm going to cut the model in half. One important thing to note, in the current version of Bamboo Studio, all of your painting will vanish if you cut the model after painting. So if you want to use the cut tool, make sure you do it before you start painting, otherwise you'll have wasted all your time. I'll be printing the blade using silver, bronze, and black PLA. These colors will be assigned using the paint tool. Since this model has a lot of defined edges, the paint bucket tool with edge detection makes it easy to assign the colors. Okay, I'm done the painting, and it looks pretty good. Because the blade is symmetrical, I only need to paint half of it. Now I just clone and mirror to make the other half. This saves a lot of time. Now we'll do the same for the guard, resizing it and colorizing it. And then we're ready to print. Assembly of the sword is straightforward. The pieces fit together nicely and everything is held in place with a bit of super glue. And that's it. No paint, no hassle, just a cool Master Sword straight off the printer.
Whoa, that's awesome! You look so cool!
If you want to print your own, links for the model, the filament I used, and the 3MF file for multicolor printing are in the description below.
Thanks for watching our video!
See you next time on 3D Print Dogs.